The Beatles Story, 2 long play records by Capitol, high fidelity. Very nice album for 2 long playing records. Let's see how they work.
What did it do to you? You seem to be in a...
They were just like 4 boys. I really liked them. They were good. They're real great guys. It didn't really hit me. And then you see them standing there singing, and I don't know what they do. They just change you. They're not what they used to be. They're just so much better.
Famous sound.
Decision which would affect the musical history of the world.
Express himself with the medium of the 3rd R, writing.
Okay. Let's see another one.
From talent, Beatle enemies also smirked in anticipation of the poison pen treatment which they forecast would come from America's hard-nosed.
Like that. I always thought discovery was something you read about. At present, McCartney and the Beatles are being read about and studied. Paul realizes...
There's one discussion about
Boom in Melbourne, and they decided at the end it was a stupid show.
Alright.
It is the case. And move on to make or take publicly that that's a responsibility he felt.
No, music.
Different member of the group. His wry sense of humor bubbled.
Alright, so that is 2 records. The Beatles Story. Thank you for looking. Good luck.